Assalamu alaikum, 10th class. How are you? Hope you are doing well. I'm your teacher. Today we are going to learn about exercise question number 2 from chapter number 4. Question number 2 is choose the correct answer. There are dash types of array. The correct answer is 2. The statement x into 30 will be reverse dash memory location. The correct answer is 31. In two-dimension array, when dimension is not mentioned, the array should not have more than dash elements, 10 elements. Which of the following statement is used to find the largest value of an array? The correct answer is none of them. Which of the following is not a valid subscript? Its answer is a into minus 2. An element of an array is mentioned by its subscript. Dimension statement uses the keyword capital letter DIM. Maximum number of elements per dimension is 255. The doubly subscripted variable p into 3, 2 parenthesis close specifies the data element present, column 2 and row 3. The statement dim c into 30, 50 parenthesis close would reserve 1500 locations. Our next question is question number 6 from the exercise question. How would you fill and print the array? So students, its answer is on page number 54. As we have learnt before, filling and printing of an array, data, strings and number is entered in an array by using let, read or input statement. It's a definition. Data may be assigned to the subscripted variable in an array. The following program is to store the string value. It is illustrated by both read data statement and input statement. Students, after the definition, from data to statement is the explanation, and you can write the example for read data statement. Example number 1. Line number 10, for k is equal to 1 to 4. Line number 20, n string into k parenthesis close. Line number 30, print n string into k parenthesis close. Line number 40, next k. Line number 50, data Shaista Mahmood Salim Hina. Line number 60, end, run. Now Shaista comma Mahmood Salim Hina. When this program is run, the subscripted variable n $sign string value into k parenthesis close automatically represent each of the 4 elements in the array. The first time through the loop, when k is equal to 1, the string Shaista is assigned to n string number 1 and so on. Example number 2 is for input statement. 10 for k is equal to 1 to 4. Line number 20, input, enter the name of students, double quotation close, comma, and string into k. Line number 30, next k. Line number 40, for k is equal to 1 to 4. Line number 50, print n string into k. Line number 60, next k. Line number 70, end. Run. Enter the name of student Shaista. Enter the name of student Mahmood. Enter the name of student Salim. Enter the name of student Hina. Shaista, comma, Mahmood, Salim, Hina. बेटे, इसमें कंसिडरेबल बात यह है कि आप दोनों स्टेटमेंट में देख लें, बेशक आप रीड डाटा स्टेटमेंट में या इनपुट स्टेटमेंट में, तो आपका आउटपुट बिल्कुल सेम है. सो दिस इज़ योर लेक्चर. इसको समझिएगा और इसको लिख के याद कीजिएगा. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.